We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender, and it's all about the young police from Jamaica. Seeing Young Police Channel. Big up yourself, Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Blessed love, Rastafari.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. As you look at the LCD, you will see a man at the top. Yeah, that's we in Uglisome with the rat, and below him that's former FBI agent Wilfred Wachigan. Right now, the only persons who are supposed to be worried about going to jail is Uglisome. Yes, man, Uglisome and the others. There's a thing called money laundering for what they were doing with this diaspora thing, collecting money about non-profit this and non-profit that. So anyone who's supposed to be worrying about the feds supposed to be these people, not yours truly, because I have always been a law-abiding citizen. So I don't listen to blow on. So as you heard, Wilfred Wachigan said this about Uglisome's IQ and thoughts are that of a 12-year-old. He failed the police test 7 times. 7 times he failed it. I did the police test 1 time. So if you compare 1 to 7, you will see who's smarter. The man is trying to be yours truly in so many ways that he's using even my own words. Rear Admiral and all of these things. Uglisome dunce like a bat. And don't even know. The man is trying to... Well, we can say that he's emulating us. And we know that we are a positive role model. But for emulating us as a positive role model, you have to be positive, conscientious, truthful, honest, and a law-abiding citizen. You are a convicted coke dealer and a criminal. Yes, and a deportee from England. So you can't talk to it. You understand? So we're just going to educate the people about you. So we know that you right now, you're not comfortable because you don't know. You know that if the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, reported all of you guys to the FBI and the IRS and the Treasury about laundering money in America and Canada, most of you will be going to prison, including you, Uglisome. I know that you, as usual, you're going to be ratting and selling out people for yourself. Yes, because it's all about self-preservation. Now look here. I have always stayed within the ambit of the law. I, ordinary youth from the ghetto, and I believe in that. Who's right but what is right? So yeah, are you, we know, say you're not comfortable because you don't know what's going to happen next. Because based on your rhetoric and narrative against the Jamaican government presently, I know that they're supposed to hate you with a passion, and this is their chance now to send you and others to prison for money laundering. You, Uglisome. Yes, you understand? So you finally have, put yourself in a bind, and I know that people, in case you do not know, some people that you used to call, and when you call them now, you're not getting them number, you know that the feds is onto them and onto you. So they is going to avoid talking with you so that you can record them to send them to prison more. You understand? So they will be making sure that they are doing everything to protect them ass and leave you out there for them do whatever they want to do. So there's a perfect saying, captured, it's people who hate you, them try to recruit others not to like you and tell lies on you and all kind of things. We have used to that. We survive all of these things. One thing with we have a reputation, character, and integrity for maintain. So we don't care about carousing. So that's saying perfectly, and we're gonna tell you, say, you have to remember, So there's a common saying that accurately captures the natures of rumors. Haters, yeah, like Uglisome, often initiate rumors to harm a person's reputation, while fools may spread them without considering the consequences. Idiots, unfortunately, may believe these rumors without verifying their truth. And the reason why we say that now, for more than a year, Uglisome, they get a woman footer hype, and don't we can tell you, we promise you this footer hype, because in case you do not know, ask any criminal, you can ask bounty killer, that we are not a forgiving person. We are planned for you for years, and you don't even know, until we get the chance. We'll find you with the pants down, we just do what we're supposed to do with you. So nobody feel like, say, you get where, because you don't get where. We can't tell you that, because we're not a forgiving person. You understand? So it is important to remember that rumors are often unfounded and can cause significant harm. So the best approach is to ignore them and focus on the truth. If the rumor is causing serious issues, it may be necessary to address it directly with the source of those spreading it. So as was stated before, they have sent, the guy, Isaac Buchanan, the Rear Admiral. Yeah, man, Isaac Buchanan, that's the same guy who, elite, a big neck, big wig, Jamaica give him HIV, and I saw him end up now become liar, because him say, anyhow, the man who give him HIV, no make him, Isaac Buchanan, if he practice life, I go out him, say him give him HIV. You understand? Because I'm a young, impressionable boy, want mix up with big neck and him thing, and him give him it. You understand? So him, Isaac Buchanan, him receive it, and that's what happened to him and him thing. Unfortunate. And we're not getting nothing against Isaac Buchanan, because nobody, look here, whether or not you want to believe it, these are not things where people set out to catch. It's just that evil people will have it and deliberately pass it on to others. And we're totally against that. Remember, say, it's a man-made disease. You understand? So them did make it just a killer of black people, and it returned to sender. Unfortunately, this man have it. I just support a life, I not him alone. There's many others in the PMP criminal organization and even labor right. We have HIV, but some of them evil, so they must have spread it because them wicked, because of a person will give them. The person you have good people who have caught it, them realize them catch it, and they make sure they make others know, say, hey, look here, I catch HIV, and just being honest, because them don't want to spread it. And them take treatment, and there's treatment out there for it. So you understand what I'm saying? I don't know nothing for. There's no rejoicing in that about people. No, them thing there, unless you have this one, no one corrosion but one empty vessel. So as we tell you about, say rumors start by fools and believed by idiots. Rumors start by haters, spread by fools and believed by idiots. So that's a perfect, that saying perfectly captures the destructive nature of rumors. It is a cycle that begins with haters who intentionally spread falsehood to damage someone's reputation. Fools, without thinking, continue to spread these rumors, oblivious to the consequences. Sadly, idiots who don't take the time to verify the facts end up believing these baseless claims and perpetuate the cycle even further. So that's how Uglisome keep doing and them thing. And then you have the little dummy them come over the Jamaica young police channel, hey, rape a boy, this, that. We don't even answer them, because we don't know, said, that is just a mythical thing. That is not even real. You understand? Because we don't play them with it. And as a matter about a raper, we are going to show the people them what him mix up with where a raper. Because we don't mix up with them thing there. Who charge you for rape. And them you have day, date, place, time, and victim. In our case, I make them make up things and them things. Because them feel like, say, by doing that, them feel say, look here. The thing is that now, him feel say, we are Evan Blake. Blake, what you say there around him, feel say, we are Evan Blake, where him can use and come out and say Blake a thief and this and that and all kind of thing, and Blake a robber. And then, according to him, say, boy, Blake a one away through my PMP, that's why I'm easier for him. Look here, me no big friend from Corals and them thing. You're all thief, all criminal. You understand? And we not, look here, we know one day justice will be served to you, Uglisome, you. And one time we are looking at your face just like how we looking at others them. Yeah, we know say justice will be served. They all corals now, dunce, you're dunce like bat. So that's why we don't even answer it. But we just want the people them who they are supporting and them thing if you know say you right now you're not comfortable. Cause you know say you look for money laundering charge. So you know say finally you look for a nice 20-year workhouse. Yes, you and Baby Trump and Peter Bunting and the likes. You understand? So that's saying perfectly. We say it perfectly. So fools without thinking continue to spread these rumors. And that's why you fool them over there. Because them are dummy. PMP criminal organization supporters and activists do not read. Dumb like a stone. So rumors by their very nature are often built on little to no truth. Yet they have the power to cause immense harm to individuals and communities. The damage they cause can range from personal distress to serious professional or social consequences. That's why it is crucial to rise above them, rather than get caught in their web. The most effective way to deal with rumors is to focus on the truth, ignore the noise and maintain your integrity. So that's how we do on them thing. So Uglisome, all him a try on them thing, him can't dent anything about we. Him try all kind of things. Him get people to come out and say how many people we murder. We get paid, get a drug dealer, convicted, a drug dealer named Little Bigger from England. Him live at St. Elizabeth. You understand? So we get paid. We hired hitman, we get paid for kill, man for rifle, and policeman charged with murder. And they don't make them believe. Alright, so we get paid for kill a person in Jamaica. Who's the person that we get paid to kill? What's the name of the policeman from Mobile Reserve that was arrested and charged with murder? All of these things. But I saw dummy them in them think. Because you know say the PMP criminal organization, dummies them can't think and them can't think critically. Because number one, alright, somebody, you accuse somebody of murder. Say foot rifle pay, yours truly, yeah, Chris Porter here, money for kill somebody. Who's the name of the person? Alright. So when was this person killed? And this man claimed that him was there with me on the scene when I killed this man. Or this person. Who's the person that I killed? Day. Okay, so it's just a day, date, time, place, and the name of the person I kill. What's the name of the policeman that I switched the M16 barrel on that was charged with murder? What is his name? There's none, because all of them think they are fiction. Alright, then him come out now with the next man now. What him say him name? Undercover or overcover or some dummy name and him thing. The liar, him wasn't no police. Because we just come out and destroy him narrative and him thing about all our lies that we might tell. And we not shut up. Then him now come out now and say him go up on radio way in a waterhouse here and we kill a man in him sleep and this and that. Alright, so you were there. Because him no work with you, you know. Alright, what's the name of the man that we killed in him sleep? Date, time, place, and what's the name of the victim? None. All of these things are made up things. They might hear some things about it, but them don't know anything about it. So that, alright. Then them come out now with the next one deportee, one rapist, real rapist. Yeah, him name Joby. We do have a video about him. PMP criminal organization supporter and done. Him hold on a little girl named Cheryl. And her last name start with D and its son. You understand, Dawson. Rape her, hold a little 14-year-old kid and take it, rape her and get her pregnant. Alright, him, so you have evidence there of him committing rape. You understand? Based on Jamaican law, it was carnal abuse then, and that was a life imprisonment offense. But because him had done half gun and them thing there, you understand? Then him now come out now say me kill soldier in a 1999 I see you. So them do all kind of things for try for portray you as a reckless and a murderous police officer in a Jamaica when we were there and them thing there. As we say, we don't talk about what we have done in Jamaica, because everything we do it in the ambit of the law. We don't boast about, like some dummy, I talk about them this, like how you hear one of the dopey police, him charged with murder 2 times, boast so much people. Them things is irrelevant and stupidity. It no matter how wicked a man is, and yet a life is a life. You understand? So we don't boast or talk about them things, period. As we say, we were well trained. So if a guy try to take our life, we're going to defend ourselves, period. And we don't send people to KPH. And we never take brown paper bag or gun coat. We send them straight to the departure lounge. That's our policy. Because if you try to kill you and them things, we're not shoot for maim you. We weren't trained that way. Worse, then after that, we get one of the best trained in one place named Yakima, Washington State. 1 shot, 1 kill. We have one with DD 214, sharpshooter and expert rifleman. Ask any sharpshooter, expert rifleman. Yes, you understand. That depends with DD 214. sharpshooter, expert rifleman, and marksman. We have them thing there. Them the badge when you are wearing your military uniform in America, other soldier look upon you with respect. We have that. So Uglisome can't come nowhere near way. So you're with a big old dirty, ugly face. You understand? You know, you, no worry man, Uncle Sam soon grab you. You talk about jail. And you see you start stress. Yeah, you mess with the wrong guy, man. You don't know who. You must sit here. I think Evan Blake this way you can but actually my one away my PMP, you know, cause I'm used to bodyguard. Evan Blake I one away, you know, cause I'm used to bodyguard Anthony Hilton. So we know say my PMP, but the one Porter, yeah man, my labor right. So you can't talk all you want to talk. We never tell you where I want them thing. We just start the truth, and the PMP is a criminal organization. We not stop. So you can't silence because you're an idiot. Your IQ is like that of a rock, stone. Alright, so moving on. So that's why it's crucial for rise above, rumors. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We don't say it can do real harm, and it can impact your relationship, our career, or well-being. So addressing it directly can sometimes be necessary. Confronting the source of the rumor or those spreading it allow you to clear the air and put the truth on the table. So the key is to remain composed and rely on facts and not allow rumors to control the narrative. So that's what we do for years. Them try all kind of thing and we know if we work on it and them thing there. You understand? And in life there will always be people who dislike you and they will go to great lengths to spread rumors and lies. Sadly, fools will amplify these lies and the idiots will believe them without second thought. So this unfortunate cycle thrive where ignorance reign, and nowhere is this more evident than among the supporters of the PMP criminal organization. We can tell you that a PMP community we born and we want to go in depth and tell you why we tell you, because so them do it. We see them kill people in our community and them tell lies, say a man from Rima. When no man from Rima not do it, at them same man do it. And then people repeat the lies and some fool buy it. We no buy that, that's why them not like we, because we speak the truth. So these individuals, many of whom fit the description of both fools and idiots, are often blinded by their refusal to seek out facts and think critically. Everything when them say, they were told, because them are dummy, them not read. It's sad when you have educated people who do not like to read. I love to read. I read. Hey, look here. My mother teach me a lot. Used to have all bubble gum. I don't know if you remember. You have bubble gum where you have some of my bubble gum. Them have what do I call it? That would be like stamp. It come with a, you slightly wet it and then you tap it on your skin and it's like a tattoo. A long time them I try them thing there with people, So them you understand. And people will love it by the bubble gum because some of them want to get the donkey or they want to get the cow or the goat or the gun and all them thing there. Me, I never buy the bubble gum them for that. You understand? Because I just love it true. Bubble gum was something apart. You understand? But gas. You understand? So they are like Wayne Uglisome, a man who famously failed the Jamaica Constabulary Force test. Not once, not twice, but a staggering 7 times. So let me repeat it. We are telling about the fools them and idiots. Them are all blinded by their refusal to seek out facts or think critically. So they are like Wayne Uglisome. Yeah man. A man who famously failed the Jamaica Constabulary Force test. Not once, not twice, but a staggering 7 times. 7 times. 7 failures in a row speak volume about his intelligence, or a lot thereof. Comparing that to Sir Christopher Porter, who took the same Jamaica Constabulary Force test once while still in high school back in 1986. Not only did I pass, but I did so with flying colors as a teenager. It was me and Bogle and a woman that passed the test. 3 away. Uglisome, so even Bogle did hang on bright on him. Because Bogle do it 1 time and pass. Him do it 7 times and fail. So no wonder I try. See, him want to live all in my shadow that him I use all my own words, Rear Admiral. That is my original word. No guy no come with that. And him know I use all my own words them. Boy, you love me so much in Uglisome. You will never be me. Never. So the contrast could not be clearer. So who is this? Who is the smarter, more capable individual? Look no further than Sir Christopher Porter. His accomplishments, intelligence and dedication speak for themselves. Uglisome is a dummy. Big time. 7 times him failed the police test. No one know You know, Rattigan say, my dumb, him dumb. You understand? So the difference between those who seek knowledge and those who live in ignorance is vast. People like Uglisome who repeatedly fail to meet even basic standards represent the mindset of many PMP criminal organizations, supporters and activists who do not value education or personal development. They would rather remain stuck in their ways, spreading lies and clinging to misinformation than rise above and pursue truth and excellence. Because they have no credibility, no character or integrity. In today's world, intelligence, integrity and preservation defines a person. True worth. While some people may think to recognize this, those who are smart and capable will always rise above the noise, just as Sir Christopher Porter has. So let this be a lesson. Seek the truth, embrace knowledge, and don't let ignorance, foolishness, or lies define who you are. The smartest people, those who pursue excellence and facts, will always come out on top. Yeah, so so when you hear them guys, they attack all kind of stupidness. But I listen to the blower hands, You understand? Because he's an idiot. Remember, intelligence rule the world and ignorance. Ignorance is a burden. You understand? So him, Uglisome, yeah man, a straight ignoramus that, you understand? Yeah, Marcus gave a quote that, intelligence rule the world. And in ignorance ignorance carries the burden. So this timeless saying underscore the power of knowledge and the consequences of choosing to remain uninformed. Intelligence guided by curiosity, critical thinking, and a pursuit of truth shapes the decisions that leads to progress, success, and growth. It is the foundation on which leaders, innovators, and change makers build their influence and create meaningful impact. On the other hand, ignorance limits potential. Those who choose to remain unaware, reject knowledge, or follow blindly are left carrying the weight of their own limitations. They become victims of manipulation, easily swayed by lies, rumors, and false narratives. While intelligence empowers individuals to control their destiny, ignorance leaves people vulnerable, allowing others to dictate their lives. In today's fast-paced, information-driven world, intelligence isn't just about formal education. It's about having the wisdom to seek out truth, learn continuously, and adapt. Those who embrace knowledge will always have an advantage over those who settle for ignorance. Like Uglisome, whether it is in personal development, leadership, or navigating life challenges, intelligence will always be the driving force behind success, while ignorance holds people back. To thrive, one must embrace knowledge, question assumptions, and seek out truth. For in doing so, they gain the power to shape their future rather than to be controlled by the forces around them. So whether or not you want to believe it, and when I tell you this Uglisome, you better prepare that anytime now, they might come and execute a warrant on you all to United States of America for money laundering. Maybe the same place over Canada, but open in America. Because the looming threat of federal indictment, we and Uglisome and the others for alleged money laundering scheme is on the horizon. If the Jamaican, we're not going to report a Jamaican government for do it because them, and Jamaicans, you understand? So I hope you, we do a follow-up, regards to the federal indictments that these people might face and explain to you in depth. So you watch, you listen, you decide. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.